Gate exam is in about 12 to 15 days, depending on your stream. And right now, full length mock tests are not about improving your syllabus coverage, but they are there to prepare your mind for the actual gate exam. Hey everyone, welcome back to Curious Fights. In this video, I'll tell you how many mocks you should be giving right now, how you should approach them, when you should stop giving mock tests, and what you should take away from those tests. So let's start from how many full length mock tests you should be giving right now. So this depends on how many days are left and how much revision is left. If a lot of revision is pending for you, you can give one mock test in every 3 days. Otherwise, you can give one mock test every alternate day. Please don't do more than this. More than this wouldn't help. Mock tests are really mentally expensive, so please don't overdo them. The next part is how you should be attempting mock tests right now. This is very important. Sit in a closed room without any distractions. Keep a water bottle with you. Sit like you are giving the actual gate exam. Use the on screen calculator. Do not refer to your notes or your phone, or do not use a manual calculator. If possible, try to give it in the exact time slot as your actual gate exam. So, this will train your brain to sit in one sitting for the final gate exam as well. Do it seriously. So, what you should be doing after giving each mock test? There are three things you should do. The first one is analyze your mock test, figure out what all were the conceptual gaps, what were the silly mistakes, if there were any time management issues. Second part is revise your conceptual gaps. So wherever some concept was missing due to which you made some mistake or you were not able to solve the question, but you knew the concept, revise that concept immediately. Do not revise an entire chapter, but selectively revise only those concepts where you made a mistake. The final thing is continue with your regular revision cycles. Do not let mocks replace the entire revision. Mocks are not equal to revision. So continue with your cyclic revisions. Try to do 2 to 3 iterations of quick revisions. Now, if you are bored and in some gaps, what you can do is you can also revise aptitude depending on how you performed in aptitude in the mock test. If there were some formulas missing, you can quickly revise those. A full list of aptitude formulas for GATE is also available on the Curious Bytes website. I'll add the link in the description below. The fourth thing is what you should take away from these mock tests. So, this is also very important. You should take away how you are able to manage time. You should take away how are you able to recall the concepts. You should take away how calmly you are able to go through even long questions. And you should take away if you are able to think continuously in one sitting for 3 hours or not. These are the things which you need to practice. At this point, do not compare your scores and do not check your All India ranks. That phase is over. At this point, if you focus on that, it could either make you overconfident or it could demotivate you. Both of these are not helpful. So avoid comparing your scores or checking your All India rank now because you cannot change anything drastically in your preparation right now. Just focus on the other things which I mentioned. The fifth point is when should you stop giving full length mock tests? So, 3 to 4 days before the exam, hard stop. Do not give any new mock test. Only go through your formulas, revise the formulas, sleep well, and stay healthy. The sixth point is which mock tests are best in this last phase. So, to feel closest to the actual GATE exam, you could prefer giving the actual GATE exam conducted by the same institute, that is IIT Guwahati. You can give the last 2 years actual gate exam as mocks, and you can also attempt the NPTEL's conducted mock tests. I'll try to add them as mock tests on the Curious Bytes website. It's currently under progress. If I'm able to do, I'll add the links below. Otherwise, I'll find some website which has them already and I'll add the links in the description box. Apart from this, you can also appear for All India mock test. A lot of institutes are conducting free All India mock tests. But yes, avoid comparing ranks right now. This is not the phase for it. You don't need to prove anything in this last phase. You just need to stay consistent, clear, and composed. So protect your confidence, protect your brain, and trust the preparation you have done. All the best for the GATE exam.